Hey guys, Jake here. Doing a little different video this time. All you guys know, I'm not about sugarcoating it, and I try and do what I preach to you guys. I don't want you doing anything that I wouldn't do, but I want you doing everything that I'm doing to further yourself along. I learn something new every day. So this is what we're gonna do for you guys. One of the most often asked questions I get, and some of the biggest concerns are, how do I meet people? So this is what we're gonna do for y'all, and this is not a YouTube thing, but for people that watch my channel that are close to the East Texas area. Even if you're not in the Northeast Texas area, Dallas, Fort Worth, I don't know how far you would like to travel, but if you let's say Tyler, Tylerish area, if you're in the East Texas area and would like to meet other like-minded people, we are going to put together a homesteading preparedness meetup. I myself will be there. The word has been spread here locally amongst friends and family, other homesteading people that I know in the area, not necessarily YouTubers, just other people that I know that are of the homesteading mindset, preparedness mindset, local people here that are looking to meet other people and bring a community together. So that's what we're going to try and do. I have access to the local fire department here. So we have a very nice building to accommodate some people. There are bathroom facilities there. There is a full kitchen there. And we have access to all of that. So we are going to put on a canning class. We're going to do some pressure canning, some dry canning, dehydrating, all kinds of food preservation. We're actually going to do that on site. We're going to try and process a few animals and take them actually from foot to jar and show you the whole process. We've got some people lined up for first aid and CPR. We're going to have some people talk about alternate forms of energy, solar generators, just alternate things that you use on your homestead. We're going to try and get some gardening people to talk, maybe some botanical people that understand herbs in the general area, about wild foraging. We are looking for people that would like to speak, maybe pass your skill set along. That is exactly what this is about. It is a skill share meetup. We're going to try and do things that people do around the homestead and things that are preparedness aware for our community. If you think you might want to attend or you would like to attend, please email me. I will leave my email in the pinned comment and in the description of this video. Please email me. It's my personal private email. I'll let you know where it is. The date is going to be September the 10th. That is a Saturday. We're going to start it probably about 10, 11 o'clock in the morning and go till 5 or 6 in the afternoon. We'll try and organize it the best we can. But this is our first meetup, and like I said, we're just trying to bring this community together. And this is how you start doing it. So if you're interested, please email me. If you're interested in sharing some skill set that you have, email me. We've got a lot of people interested. Probably a lot of people are going to show up. It could be 5 or it could be 500. I don't know. But a lot of the things I get, questions that I hear from other channels are, elderly people or single females, mothers are scared to go places to meet people. So we're making this a very safe, community-driven place at our fire department. And again, like I said, facilities will be available. We're going to have the full kitchen. It'll be indoors in case it rains or something like that. So we should have a nice facility there to accommodate everybody. We're going to do a meet and greet, say from 11 to 12. At 12, we're going to plan on having a lunch. It is going to be a potluck lunch, so please make some prepared dish and bring with you. And we'll just set out all the food and have a little community lunch together. If everybody will bring something, we should have enough for everybody to eat. We'll have drinks and things there, and we may give a few prizes away, but it's free to come. There is no charge. Again, it's just a skill sharing, learning adventure here in the community, and anybody is welcome to come. Our kids are going to be there. We'll have drinks. Homesteaders, preparedness people, this is how you start it. We're putting ourselves out there. We hope some of y'all will attend. I know there are a few people that watch my channel here in East Texas, so this is how I'm reaching out to y'all. Maybe some people, you know, further off actually see my video and want to attend. Some of the people who live in the city or wanting to get out and meet some other folks that are homesteaded out in the country, this may be your opportunity. Again, this is for the East Texas area. I don't know how far people want to drive, but if you're interested in attending, please email me down below, the pinned comment, or in the description. I appreciate you guys watching. These are the concerns that I see, and this is how I go about meeting people in my community that are like-minded. Hope y'all enjoy. We may video it, we may not. We'll show some of it for sure. But it's a few weeks off. Give everybody a few weeks to prepare, make the plans, make the trip. You know, like I said, half a day, 11 to 6. And we're going to try and fill it full of knowledge, whether it be canning, first aid, homesteading, preparedness, water, you know, all kinds of things there that we can discuss. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Send this out. If you know people in the East Texas area, get them to attend. We would appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all stay safe out there. Take care.